In this video, I'm going to walk managers through Lattice's new external feedback feature. This feature allows managers to solicit feedback from employees or partners outside of Lattice. So maybe your employee actually finished a project with a partner or a customer. This is a great way for you to actually gather that feedback in Lattice and then use it for an upcoming one-on-one or an upcoming performance review. So once it's turned on at your company, it's as easy as going to the feedback tool from your team tab. I'm going to request feedback, but instead of finding an internal person to request feedback, I'm just going to type in their email. So here I'm actually going to ask Grant, who's an external partner, for feedback about Michael. So, hey Grant, any feedback regarding Michael about project ABC? Once I request it, I'll get a shareable link that I can then put into an email. So we have an email going out to Grant. Oh. And send. After the external partner actually sends feedback about my employee, I'll receive an email notification on Lattice, and again, can just go back to the Your Team tab. So let me just refresh. So if I actually go here, and I go look at Michael, here I can actually see that feedback about Michael. Michael's great, he executed on Fusion, and I'd like to work with him again. This is really serviceable and something that you can use for an upcoming one-on-one or performance review. That's how our new external feedback feature works. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know. Thanks.